Hello, where are you going?
I am going to Paris.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love it.
Is this your first trip?
No, my second trip?
Do you have a passport?
Yes, right here.
Is your bag heavy?
A little, yes.
Did you pack everything?
Yes, I think so.
Do you have a ticket?
Yes, in my phone.
What time is your flight?
At 9 o'clock?
Is the airport big?
Yes, very big.
Are you excited?
Yes, very excited.
Where is gate 5?
Turn left, then right.
Is the flight long?
About 3 hours.
Do you have a window seat?
Yes, I love windows.
Is the plane big?
Yes, quite big.
Did you check in?
Yes, just now.
Do you have luggage?
Just one small bag.
Is there food on the plane?
Yes, a small meal.
Do you like flying?
Yes, it is fun.
Are you flying alone?
No, with my friend.
Is your friend ready?
Yes, he is waiting.
What country are you visiting?
I am visiting Italy.
Is Italy far away?
About 2 hours flight.
Do you speak Italian?
Just a few words.
Did you book a hotel?
Yes, near the center.
Is the hotel nice?
Yes, very comfortable.
How many nights?
5 nights total.
Do you have a map?
Yes, on my phone.
What will you visit first?
The old city center.
Do you like museums?
Yes, I love history.
Is the weather good there?
Yes, warm and sunny.
Did you buy travel insurance?
Yes, just in case.
Do you have local money?
Yes, I changed it.
Is food expensive there?
No, quite affordable.
Do you like local food?
Yes, I want to try everything.
What is your favorite dish?
I love trying pasta.
Do you take many photos?
Yes, hundreds of photos.
Do you keep a travel journal?
Yes, every trip.
Is your camera ready?
Yes, fully charged.
Do you travel often?
Yes, twice a year.
What is your dream destination?
I want to visit Japan.
Have you been to Asia?
No, not yet.
Is Japan expensive?
A little, but worth it.
Do you plan trips carefully?
Yes, always.
Do you use travel apps?
Yes, very helpful.
Do you like adventure trips?
Yes, I love them.
Do you prefer hot or cold places?
I prefer warm places.
Do you travel light?
Yes, one bag only.
Do you like road trips?
Yes, very much.
Have you driven abroad?
Yes, in Spain.
Is driving abroad difficult?
A little different, yes.
Do you rent a car?
Sometimes yes.
Do you use public transport?
Yes, buses and trains.
Is the train fast?
Yes, very fast.
Do you like train travel?
Yes, very relaxing.
Have you taken a cruise?
No, but I want to.
Do you like the sea?
Yes, I love it.
Can you swim?
Yes, quite well.
Do you snorkel?
Yes, it is amazing.
Have you tried camping?
Yes, in the mountains.
Do you like mountains?
Yes, beautiful views.
Have you climbed a mountain?
Yes, a small one.
Is hiking difficult?
A little but fun.
Do you wear hiking boots?
Yes, always.
Do you get lost sometimes?
Yes, but that is okay.
Do you ask for directions?
Yes, people are helpful.
Do you like meeting locals?
Yes, very interesting.
Do you try local markets?
Yes, always a good idea.
Did you buy any souvenirs?
Yes, small gifts.
What did you buy?
A magnet and a keychain.
Is shopping fun abroad?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Do you send postcards?
Yes, to my family.
Does your family worry?
A little, but I call.
Do you call home often?
Yes, every evening.
Is the time zone different?
Yes, 2 hours ahead.
Do you get jet lag?
Sometimes, yes.
How do you beat jet lag?
Sleep on the plane.
Is your hotel near transport?
Yes, very convenient.
Did you try local coffee?
Yes, it was strong.
Do you like street food?
Yes, I love it.
Is street food safe?
Usually, yes. Be careful.
Did you get lost today?
Yes, but it was fun.
Did you make new friends?
Yes, at the hostel.
Do you stay in hostels?
Sometimes, to meet people.
Is traveling expensive?
It depends on where.
How do you save money?
Book early, travel smart.
Do you have travel goals?
Yes, 50 countries total.
How many countries so far?
12 countries visited.
That is impressive.
Thank you. I love it.
Any advice for new travelers?
Just go. Do not wait.
Will you travel again soon?
Yes, next month.
Where are you going next?
I am going to Greece.
Safe travels, my friend.
Thank you. See you soon.